You suffer from frizzy, curly, fuzzy hair in the summer or maybe all year round. I live in Florida. It is 93 degrees today. It is hot, it's humid. A lot of times I'll just let my hair dry naturally, or I'll put in styling creams to keep it curly. But most times when I want to feel put together and pretty, I really prefer it straight. I really like my hair straight. So it is a huge struggle to find the best tools, products to keep my hair looking healthy, glossy, beautiful, and straight. And I am gonna share with you a new find. I am so excited. So I'm gonna start with my hair dry. I'm letting it air dry so you can see. This is exactly how I would do it. I'm letting my hair dry like this. So that's gonna help with not overheating my hair and all the things. And once it's fully dry, I'm gonna go in and use this amazing thermal brush to create the softest, most beautiful, smooth, glossy curls. Oh, you're not gonna believe it. So the next time I see you in just a second, my hair will be dry and we'll get to it. I'm finally air dried. I did comb through my hair, which makes it even fluffier and fuzzier than ever, and made sure that it's dry, because you do not want to use the WavyTalk Blowout Boost without having dry hair. This is a thermal brush. It's like a curling iron with a brush. I mean, I don't know how else to describe it. And it's got a rotating cord, which makes it so easy. It has a on and off right here. So there's an on and off button and then a heat temperature right there. It's set to go at 360. It heats up in 30 seconds. So I am just gonna turn this baby on. Let's section off my hair while we wait for it to heat up. I have really, really thick hair, as you can tell. So let's twist it up. It does come with these two clips, but I find that because my hair is so fluffy and thick right now, because I air dried it, I'm gonna use this heavier clip for my hair. But if you had finer hair, those would work great. And I just wanna take a small section at a time and use the thermal brush. Now there's this holder, so you don't wanna touch this because it's really, really hot. So just make sure that you're holding this and the wand, because you don't wanna burn yourself. I like to do a few passes like this, and you can kind of pull it kind of tight if you want, and then come down and you can curl it like this and just hold it for a second. Oh my goodness, look at that. Can you see that? Can you see how smooth that is? Oh my goodness, it is just unbelievable. So we're just gonna go the other way, and I'm just gonna bring it through, and I'm gonna hold it for just a second and then pull it down. So you can do your curl whatever way you want. Isn't that amazing? Look at that. That is amazing. It's so crazy. Because let's look at the other side. I mean, can you remember what this side looked like? And then this? It's unbelievable. I was so impressed when I tried this for the first time. I was blown away. It's also really, really good if you have hair that gets fuzzy, like in between wash days. I had to go somewhere when, look at this, look at this, look at this. This is nothing, no product, no nothing. This is just running it through my hair. Unbelievable. Okay, so let's take down some more. I'm gonna do one side of my hair so that we can sort of see a comparison. So here, let's take this side down. And all you wanna do is do the same thing. You wanna kind of go in at the scalp, pull it out, and obviously do what you like best with your hair. But I find that if you kind of go one way and then you go the other way, and then just pull it like you would if you were blow drying your hair, but you're not, you're using this tool. So this is the WavyTalk Blowout Boost. It is awesome. I mean, my hair is smooth. And look at that. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Look at this piece right here. Unbelievable. I love it. I love finding something that is so easy and is a no-brainer. Okay, see, look at this. Look at this curl. Wave and this frizz. Let's see how well this goes through that hair. So let's go under first. I'm getting used to how to use it, but I'm gonna go down. I'm gonna pull it like this, just softly. I'm not even pulling or tugging or anything. Oh, it's like magic. Absolute magic. Oh, I think you have to do several passes to get the kind of smoothness, but it's pretty instantaneous. And I'm now just pulling it with a little tension like this. I'm gonna curl it like that. You could hold it right here as well if you want. Whoop. Kind of pull that a little fast. I mean, look at that. Isn't that amazing? It got rid of all that. Now I still have some right here at my scalp, so I'm gonna just go in and kind of grab it and pull it out like that. And try to get that curl out. You see that? And then curl it at the end. But look how smooth, oh my goodness. So I have a little bit left right there, so I can go back there. But look at how easy it is to get a very smooth, soft curl. Oh, it's so cool. I love this. I love it. Let's do another one right here. I just love this. I mean, who doesn't want to have gorgeous, smooth hair? And it's so lightweight. It's so lightweight. I can't even, it's not heavy, so it's really easy to use, and I love that it has a rotating cord. Look at this, look at this. So now I always have a problem right next to my scalp, but, oh, I mean, look at that, look at that, look at that. I mean, just soft and gorgeous, like totally like I was in the salon. So gorgeous. And as you can see, my hair is really fuzzy and frizzy. And so the fact that we can do this is so quickly. This doesn't take any time at all. So I like to go through a few passes like this, and I think smaller sections are better so that the hair wraps around the brush and makes it so good. And I don't mind actually a little bit of the curl right here or wave, because that'll give my hair a little bit of height when it's all done. So I'm okay with this, but look at the smoothness of this. Let's do this. We're almost done with one side, and then we'll do a comparison of both sides. And this is a good thing to have, this little nozzle right there, a little handhold thing. I don't know what you call it. Whoop. Just want to be careful because it's hot. I want to glide through it and do a little curl like that, and then maybe come back out. I love the flexibility of a tool like this so that I'm not using so much heat all the time, so I can let my hair air dry, right? And then in the morning, you know, especially if I don't have time to dry my hair, and then use this tool to get this beautiful, it's like I'm at the salon. Honestly, it really is. Look at these little funny things. So let's see, I'm almost done with this one side, and then we'll see what it looks like. There's so many times I don't want to dry my hair. It's so hot. You know, in the summer when you're at the beach, it's hot and you don't want to dry your hair, but you want it to look well. So you can go, ooh, look at that, I did the bangs. You can get just like this soft, gorgeous curl. Oh my God, I love it. Okay, let's take it down the other side and see. Now, I will go back and do some more passes once I do both sides, but let's just see comparison of the two. Don't you love seeing comparison? It is so funny. Oh my goodness. So this side, I need to work a little bit more on the bangs, but look how gorgeous and smooth and soft and bouncy these curls are. And this is air dry. and fuzzy. So what a huge difference. So let's finish it up and do the other side. So I'm just gonna put it back up like this, all of it, because I wanna make sure that I get every single piece, because it's hard. When you just do half, it makes it really difficult. So let's just do like this, and I'm gonna do the other side, and I will speed it up. So if you wanna skip that, just go to the next chapter and you'll see final product. You know what I mean. So let's get doing it. What a difference. Isn't that amazing? I did need to go over some of this side again, just because I had put it up, but the before and the after, the smoothness, the softness, the frizz-free curls, the bounce, it's just the coolest thing ever. You can just hit the button and turn it right off like that. Hold it and it goes right off. I am using a mat on my table, so just make sure you have a heat-proof mat. Let's go back, let me show you. I mean, look at that. The before and after, it's unbelievable. If you are in between wash days and you just wanna smooth out your hair, it's so easy. Pop this on, do the little pieces that you need, or section off your hair again and just pass it through all the fuzz, all the frizz, all the little curls that are bothering you, and you have this gorgeous salon style at home. I mean, it's the best. Now, I cannot wait to use this all summer long. Now, let me just go through and show you the back. See, look at that. Look at how pretty that is. Oh my goodness. So smooth, so soft, so bouncy. Right? Don't you want one? I have linked everything down below, all the info. It comes in several colors. It is like the coolest thing ever. It's an ion, it's a thermal brush, so it's not gonna be bad for your hair. And I love the idea of being able to air dry my hair, or even blow it dry, like just dry it and then pop this in. And it is so fast, so easy, and I love the results. So get your WavyTalk Blowout Boost, because this is one of the best things I have tried on my curly, frizzy hair. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. You'll get notified when other videos go up. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. Have you tried something like this? Have you tried this? I think the coolest thing about this is that it's not a hairdryer. It's like the ultimate curling iron, right? Because it's giving your hair that smoothness and that body that you don't necessarily get in a curling iron. So anyway, I love it. I'm so excited. Like, this is a cool new product that I am gonna love all summer long. So thank you so much for being with me today. I look forward to seeing you in the next video.